I'm right here at the Martin Place Residence. It's a popular project in the heart of River Valley. I have a 3-bedroom here for sale. Later on, we'll have a look at it. Look at the massive land size. Look at the facilities here. A 50-meter slab pool over on this side here. And over on right at the end there, you have a nice dining pavilion where you can invite your friends for a barbecue or even invite a private chef over. And on this side here is where you have a gym, a fully equipped gym and a function room of more than 30 to 40 people, no problem, okay? This is a freehold project of 300 over units in the heart of River Valley. If you're looking for a 3-bedroom for sale of about 1,400 over square feet at 3.6 over million, you should definitely have a look at this one here. Have a look, let's go and check out the unit, let's go. So we are right here in the unit, 3-bedroom, 1,421 square feet. Have a look at the space of that living and dining area, landscape layout, very spacious, good distance between the sofa and the TV, and you can have easily a 6-seater or 8-seater dining table on that side. Let's move on to the balcony, have a good view on this side here, and you get to enjoy the beautiful views. On this side here is where the Tanjong Pagar Raffles Place is located. Unblocked views on this side here. Right in front of us is the Martin Modern Condo that just recently TOP. And over here you get to see the River Gate as well. River Gate, unblocked views, good greenery views. We're on the 13th floor on this side here. Now let's move on to the kitchen area, and this is a good open concept kitchen. You've got this glass door over here, you can enclose it if you want to, and a very nice U-shaped countertop space. Drawers are all pull out easy, comfortable size, and then you got good pantry over on this side here, a Miele fridge and oven as well. And on this side here is where you have a yard area, washer dryer, and right at the end you have a storeroom as well, or helper's room if you like. Now let's move on to the bedrooms. Moving on to the 3 bedrooms, this is where the common room is here. Very good size, spacious. You got the full height window here towards the unblocked view here, allowing the light to enter. Parquet flooring, the wardrobe, aircon, ceiling fan has all been done up here. And this is where the other common bedroom is, similar in size to the other one, also full height window, parquet flooring. And this is where you have the common bathroom, marble flooring, marble tiles, marble walls, and you got a rain shower on this side here, very spacious and good size. Let's move on to the master room, similar parquet flooring, and this bathroom you have a bathtub here, very good space, marble flooring, marble tiles, marble wall as well. And look at the space of the master room here. You got a king size bed and even a single bed here. You can still see that spaciousness here. Look at the view here on this side, completely unblocked towards the Tanjong Pagar area. Just nice open views, allowing the light to enter, full height glass windows. And that's all we have for this 3-bedroom unit. If you'd like to know more, give me a call. I'll be glad to share with you more. Thank you. Bye-bye.